One.
So we will be explaining some more natural ways to decrease runoff issues. My name is Patrick Matovinik.
I'm Jaylee. Sewer systems are a thing in the past. They're bad to the environment because, well, they collect all the impervious water from all the surfaces like farms, the runoff from the farms, driveways and all that, and roads. And all that water is heated up, collects contaminants, and flows into the sewers. The sewers is just a passage layer under the ground just to get right to the main waterways, which causes thermal pollution.
Now we have a small video about green infrastructure.
Parks are great for play, sports, exercise, and relaxation. But one critical benefit is often overlooked: putting water to good use. Parks can act like sponges when rain falls. They catch stormwater, absorbing it into the earth and returning it to thirsty plants, animals, and eventually people. Without parks, water falls onto city streets where it collects pollutants, then runs through pipes and tunnels where it must be purified. As the leader in creating parks and cities in the United States, the Trust for Public Land knows how to improve parks to better manage water. This process is known as green infrastructure, and it's not just limited to parks. Well-designed gardens, trails, natural areas, and recreation centers can all be designed to put stormwater to good use. Benefits include reduced town flooding, avoiding costly water purification, and faster replenishment of drinking water supplies. In the next few decades, towns will spend $100 billion managing stormwater runoff. Investing in parks and other green infrastructure puts that money towards the community instead of flushing it down the pipes. Visit the Trust for Public Land at tpl.org/services to learn more.
So one solution is the idea of a rain garden, which is a small little bowl-shaped area full with more or less a garden that's to impervious surfaces. This allows for water to pass through the soft soil or be collected by plants. Another idea is urban forestry. As we all know, trees are a great source of collecting water, and we have been destroying them across our world. This will solve both problems by collecting water, runoff water in cities, and adding more trees to environments. Trees are also known to act as active coolers, decreasing cities by multiple amounts of degrees, resulting in an economic gain by decreasing the money needed for air conditioning systems.
Permeable pavement. Permeable pavement is it's pavement that allows water to flow through it. So from the water flowing through it, it's able to seep into the ground and filter its way instead of just going straight into the streams and going into our major waterways. So it removes contaminants like oils and other crud like that. It also keeps our air cooler because it reflects the heat of the sun. So the temperature in the cities will be cooler, causing all of us to be more comfortable walking, things like that.
Another solution is the idea of wetland restoration. Wetlands are considered our first defense against flooding, and we have destroyed multiple different habitats. This will be able to solve both problems, creating an environment for animals and plants alike, and being able to help us defend against flooding.
Another way for us to save water from going into our waterways is by collecting it and using it, reusing it. Instead of having going on the pavements that we have now, why not just collect it and use it to water our plants?
That's the end.